Can I use my iPad's data plan to make phone calls when there is no Wi-Fi available?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. We'll be focusing on a very practical question today. Can I use my iPad's data plan to make phone calls when there is no Wi-Fi available? This is a common scenario, especially when you're traveling or in an area with poor Wi-Fi connectivity. Let's dive in.
What is cellular data and how does it work on iPads?
Cellular data, unlike Wi-Fi which requires a nearby router, uses mobile network signals to provide internet connectivity to your device. Many iPads come with an optional cellular feature. This means that, just like your smartphone, it can use a SIM card and access the internet anywhere there's a mobile network signal. If your iPad has a cellular data feature, you can absolutely use it to make phone calls when there is no Wi-Fi available. However, unlike traditional phone calls that are made through a cellular network, these calls will be made over the internet using Voice over Internet Protocol, VoIP, services.
How to make phone calls using data on iPad?
So, how can you actually make these calls? You'll need a VoIP service, which allows you to make phone calls over the internet. Apps like Skype, Google Hangouts, WhatsApp, or FaceTime, for other Apple users, are examples of VoIP services. Here's the step-by-step process. 1. Ensure that your iPad's cellular data is turned on. You can do this by going into Settings, Cellular Data, and toggling it on. 2. Download and install a VoIP app of your choice. Remember, this should be a service that both you and the person you're calling are comfortable with. 3. Sign in or create an account on the app. 4. Find the contact you want to call within the app or dial the number, then initiate the call. Remember that these calls will count towards your data plan. The amount of data used will depend on the length of the call and the specific app you're using.
What are the limitations?
It's important to note that not all iPads come with cellular data capabilities. If your iPad is Wi-Fi only, you'll not be able to use your iPad's data to make calls when Wi-Fi isn't available, as there won't be any data plan to use. Additionally, not all data plans may support VoIP services. It's crucial to check with your provider about any potential restrictions. And there you have it. While it's not exactly like using a traditional phone, you can indeed make phone calls on your iPad using your data plan when there is no Wi-Fi available, provided that your device has cellular capabilities and your data plan allows VoIP services. Remember to consider the data usage while making these calls. We hope this video has been helpful. Thank you for watching.